Hi, friends and traders family. What I'm going to teach you today, not strategic. It's totally something. You just make sure to understand. Okay. Fair value gap. I'm going to teach you something like this. The fair value gap, which is mitigated one. Okay. This is mitigated. Let's suppose this is not mitigated yet, and price is going so far above. How we know when it's time to take a reversal trade. So each time you see the previous history. Okay, this is for scalper. Please don't get it for a long time. Right, this is the point where sell started. Make sure you pay attention to understand it. You don't get it in the first run. Come and watch again to understand perfectly. Right there, you seen a market is going. This is based on my experience and what I did. Okay, it's my real account. Okay, I will make sure to demonstrate to you a few of so you understand well then. Market started going sell from this point. You find out a fair value gap right there. Right there. Don't think about the mitigation or something else. No, just extend it. Extend it a market. When we will take a buy, let's scroll back the history. Here we need a history. We are going to check out the previous support or resistance level. When we scroll back, we've seen there is the support and resistance, which is range right there. And the breakout happened, market went to the bull run. Okay. And later market went there and the fair value gaps. Okay. Now, as we found, this is somewhere in the past was a range area. Now we know the liquidity hunt is scrap because of these weak candles. These are so familiar today. Everyone knows these weak candles is just the stop loss hitting cluster. Okay, after once market hit this, we know the buy is going to start. Okay, once we know the buy is going to start, now sit around tight and wait for a pump. What does it mean by the pump? At least one Marubozu candle. What type of Marubozu candle? I mean to say this is the Marubozu candle. We just have weak at low and there is no weak at top. Okay, when that type of candle like this is the bullish candle, see the dot is there. This is the candle which helping us to know right this is the time of bull move. So if you know enter there, don't worry because you don't have yet experience. You're just realizing this strategy. Just simply enter here. Okay, that's the confirmation I told you. After you took the entry, market went back. Once it went back, after you enter your Marubozu bullish candle, it closed, it went back. You gone panic. You don't know because it took almost 3 minutes. It's enough to shake your emotions. What to do at that time? Just simply, my boy, look at the previous closed candle of sell. It's telling you this is also a weak candle. It's mean stop loss hitting. They are taking out these traders. So it's mean when you extend it, it's telling you this time we are not going more down because with this week we already mostly stop out them. And with this week we already finished this level and now is our time. Okay? That's how smart money is going to play around. Maybe it will be a bit hard, it will be a bit off topic strategy, but you have to understand it, okay? That's how actually they make money, and you have to do the same. Okay, perfectly. Once you hold your emotions by this and by this, that's your clue. If it's in case it's good down, you stop out. Okay, don't hold the trade, don't depend on luck. No way. Okay, so the strategic approach is simple after market started going up, your first TP is the mid, your second TP is the full mitigation of this fair value gap, and that's all. This is the strategy, straightforward, go back test, enjoy making money. Hope you get it. Best of luck.